In this video, we are going to be talking about the best action camera for live streaming. This will allow you to connect with your viewers through a more personal experience by showing them what it's like on your side of the screen during your gaming or vlogging adventures. Let me show you some of my favorite action cameras that have been tested thoroughly by myself and other professionals. I'll leave the links to discussed cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with GoPro Hero 9 Black. Whenever it comes to discuss action cameras, GoPro's action camera will be there. With this live GoPro Hero 9 Black, you can live stream from the Hero 9 to various services such as Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook in resolutions up to 1080p with HyperSmooth enabled. In terms of features and performance, this is the best single-lens action camera you can get from. This camera comes with Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a GoPro app, so you can remotely control the camera, can use a live streaming function, preview pictures, share them directly on social media platforms. Furthermore, it comes with a micro SD card slot and USB-C port that allow you to charge and transfer video. When recording at 5K 30 FPS, the Hero 9 Black gets about 80 minutes of time before shutting down with a low battery warning, which is roughly 10 minutes more than the Hero 8 at 4K 60 FPS. The Hero 9 has a larger battery pack than past models in size and power. It's got a removable 1720 Ah lithium-ion battery, 3 mics, voice control, is waterproof, and weighs 158 grams. With all these features, your live streaming will never discontinue. Just 2 button controls provide easy operation, power mode on the left side and record start-stop on the top right, which makes your live streaming very easy. The camera does run a little hot, which may be a downside, but it is normal in action cameras if you use it continuously for a long period. So if you want a top-quality camera with excellent features, Hero 9 should be your priority. At number 2, it's GoPro Hero 8 Black. Hero 8 is another best product from GoPro when we talk about live streaming and image stabilization. The Hero 8 Black improves on earlier GoPros with a higher max bit rate and 1080p live streaming too, making it a highly versatile action camera. This Hero 8 action camera is also extremely popular among vloggers for its 4K video recording and slow motion footage and works extremely well for Facebook, YouTube, etc. The camera captures 4K video at 60 frames per second or Full HD at 240 FPS for slow motion footage. It can be controlled easily by the touchscreen on the back or by voice control, which makes it more convenient for outdoor uses. This Hero 8 is waterproof, so you have no worries while recording or going live in any weather condition. It features 4 digital lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and super view. So you can capture the best views according to your requirements. The camera also features a much improved image stabilization mode that is extremely helpful for capturing videos and photos. Along with live streaming feature, the image stabilization technology developed by GoPro that rivals gimbal capabilities without the need for external stabilization hardware, mounting, or power. The camera runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is good news for live streaming videos. Furthermore, this GoPro has a built-in microphone, which is handy if you want to voice over on live streaming. On the downside, this GoPro Hero 8 sometimes gets hot while recording, but there are no worries. This may be disappointing, but it doesn't damage or affects the quality of the video. As compared to GoPro Hero 9, this Hero 8 is less expensive, but you will get the high-definition video result on live streaming. At number 3, it's YI 4K action camera. If you're looking for an action camera under $200 for live streaming, this is an ideal option for you. The camera offers great features and performance for an affordable price, and it is very easy to use. You can control the camera using a touchscreen or connect to the camera via Wi-Fi and control it via an app or your phone. The app handles shooting, editing, and sharing. With a larger display, the YI has a 2.19-inch 640 by 360 resolution panel with a touch interface that lets you manage all settings and functions. About the features, it has 2 microphones for stereo audio as well as a tiny speaker grill. Powering the camera is a 1400 mAh Li-ion battery that uses a micro USB port to charge. The maximum time you can on the YI camera is 152 minutes for normal use and almost 60 to 90 minutes while live streaming. Video recording is possible up to 3840 by 2160 in wide angle at 30 fps and an ultra-wide angle at 24 fps with this YI 4K camera. If you want a cheaper alternative to GoPro, then you can get this Yi 4K action camera. At number 4, it's again GoPro's action camera named GoPro Max 360 live streaming camera. Similar to the Hero 8 Black, this action camera does more than just connect to your smartphone. It also has a web connection and is able to stream live at up to 1080p directly to YouTube. Even though it costs a bit more than my favorite GoPro Hero 8 Black, it is worth the extra money for most action videographers and live streamers. You can choose a different aspect ratio for the 360-degree footage recorded with the GoPro Max. GoPro also includes software tools with the Max letting you convert the 5.6K quality into flat video. The camera sports 6 internal microphones. The battery is good for about 85 minutes of 360-degree recording or 105 minutes of single lens, 1080p or 1440p video. The Max has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can opt for a mobile workflow and can go live with the GoPro app. In addition, it is waterproof and provides live streaming hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app or save footage to your SD card for later viewing. If you can invest around $500, GoPro Max 360 is an excellent choice to go with. And the last one is Sony FDR-X3000. Sony's action cam line has long played second fiddle to more popular options from GoPro in the hearts and minds of consumers. Its top-end model, the FDR-X3000 offers optical image stabilization and live streaming with app. The camera also creates a wireless network that a phone can join, allowing Sony's Play Memories mobile app to function similarly as a remote viewing and operation tool. The app also indulges in live streaming and links to some editing software. With this Sony action camera, you can record in both 4K and 1080p with the option of slow-mo. On the rear, a flap that can be opened reveals 3 ports for data transfer and battery charging, micro HDMI to connect to a TV, and a 3.5mm jack for a microphone. The FDR-X3000 netted about 45 minutes of 4K recording in our tests, which is on the low side when you are going live, but in normal, it can go longer, for about 70 minutes. And with that, we come to the end of our review. As there are a number of best cameras available for live streaming, but when it comes to action cameras you will have a limited choice that supports live streaming. After deep research, I have filtered out some best action cameras supported to live to stream. In my opinion, GoPro's Hero 9 is the most suitable camera for live streaming with a number of quality features and at an affordable price. But if you can afford a high budget, then you can go for GoPro Max 360 cameras to enjoy the best ever results at a cost of around $500. And with that, we come to the end of our review. I hope this video helps you to find the right camera for live streaming.